Did you know that AI can analyze vast amounts of market data in seconds, allowing it to spot trends and make trades faster than any human ever could? Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the world of trading and explore the latest strategies to help you make money. Today, we're going to talk about AI trading strategies specifically designed for beginners who want to make money day trading. AI trading strategies are revolutionizing the way we trade. And as a beginner, it's essential to understand how they can help you overcome the common obstacles that prevent you from making a profit. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can take your trading game to the next level and start seeing real results. So, what exactly are AI trading strategies? In simple terms, they're a set of rules and algorithms that analyze market data and make trades based on that analysis. By using AI, you can remove emotions from the equation and make more informed decisions, increasing your chances of success. But before we dive into the strategies themselves, let's talk about the challenges that beginners face when it comes to day trading. One of the biggest hurdles is market volatility. The markets can be unpredictable, and it's easy to get caught off guard. This is where AI trading strategies come in, as they can help you navigate even the most turbulent markets. Another major challenge is emotional decision-making. As humans, we're prone to making impulsive decisions based on emotions, which can lead to costly mistakes. By using AI, you can eliminate emotions from the equation and make trades based on cold, hard data. Lack of experience is another significant obstacle that beginners face. When you're new to trading, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available. AI trading strategies can help you bridge the gap, providing you with a solid foundation to build on. Additionally, many beginners struggle with information overload. With so many charts, indicators, and news feeds to keep track of, it's easy to get bogged down in the details. AI trading strategies can help you cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. Fear and greed are two of the most significant enemies of traders. When markets are volatile, it's easy to get caught up in the emotions of the moment, leading to impulsive decisions. By using AI, you can remove these emotions from the equation and make trades based on logic and reason. Many beginners also struggle with discipline. Sticking to a trading plan can be tough, especially when the markets are moving rapidly. AI trading strategies can help you stay disciplined, making trades based on your predefined rules and avoiding impulsive decisions. Another major challenge is the lack of a clear trading plan. When you're new to trading, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the moment and forget to plan ahead. AI trading strategies can help you develop a clear plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. Lastly, many beginners struggle with scalability. As your trading account grows, it can be difficult to manage your trades manually. AI trading strategies can help you scale your trading operation, making it easier to manage multiple trades and maximize your profits. One of the most powerful AI trading strategies is algorithmic trading. This involves using complex algorithms to analyze market data and make trades based on that analysis. By leveraging the power of algorithms, you can make trades faster and more accurately than any human trader. Another strategy is using machine learning models. These models can learn from historical data, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to spot. By using machine learning models, you can stay ahead of the curve and make more informed trading decisions. Sentiment analysis is another AI trading strategy that's gaining popularity. This involves analyzing social media and news feeds to determine market sentiment, allowing you to make trades based on the emotions of the market. By using sentiment analysis, you can stay one step ahead of the competition and make more informed trades. One of the most compelling success stories I've come across is that of a beginner trader who used AI trading strategies to turn a small account into a six-figure profit. By leveraging the power of algorithmic trading, this trader was able to identify high-probability trades and execute them with precision, resulting in an incredible return on investment. Another success story is that of a trader who used machine learning models to identify a hidden pattern in the market. By leveraging this pattern, this trader was able to make a series of highly profitable trades, resulting in a significant increase in their trading account. AI trading strategies offer a range of benefits for beginners, from increased accuracy to improved discipline. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can overcome the common obstacles that prevent you from making a profit and start seeing real results. In conclusion, AI trading strategies are a game changer for beginners who want to make money day trading. By using algorithms, machine learning models, and sentiment analysis, you can take your trading game to the next level and start seeing real results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below about your experiences with trading. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on trading tips and strategies, and be sure to check out my related videos on AI trading.